innovation comes from young people. It doesn't come from my kind of innovation is a really fancy wheelchair or a big motorhome. That's not innovation really, right? So young people are the ones that really bring the innovation.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by Impact Washington.
Welcome to Toolcraft, everybody. Glad to see you. Hopefully this is the last tour for you, and the best one, hopefully. We make precision parts for aerospace, space, medical, and defense industries. So everything starts here, milling material here, all of our Swiss turn over here. These are all screw machines, all made by citizens. So you load a 12-foot bar in. All these bars are ground to a very precise size, and the finished product looks like this. And it starts off with a 12-foot bar of material. And so we make them, this order is for several thousand. It runs pretty much by itself. In order to have repeatability, you have to have precision. And so our goal is not to produce one, but produce several thousand that function as good as just one. I think being able to produce over and over and over again and not have it fail. But again, if there's a negative to these screw machines is you can't do everything. You can only do what you do it really well. High precision, small parts in high volume. If it can't be made, we're interested. We're making these parts here on that machine right there. These are small parts, and we're doing them out of a strip. You'll see, starts off like that. Parts are coming off like that, and we break them off. So we employ 62 people. Of those, 18 are part-time students. So young people are the ones that really bring the innovation. And I'll give you an example of that right now. Right now we're running these guys. We're starting off with 1 3/8 round bar, going through a rotary, coming off complete. That wasn't me. That was a 19-year-old kid that come up with that idea about 15 years ago. And so like right now, the young guys, again, me on this thing, I don't know what I'd do. I'd go buy a Corvette probably instead of monkey that thing. But young guys can embrace that, young people, just make it work. My first employee was 15. First thing I did beyond my business license was get a minor work permit. Get involved with young people when they're 8, 9, 10, 11 years old. Don't wait till they're 17, 18. Show them young.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Impact Washington.